A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust through which molten rock, ash, and gas can escape. Volcanoes are found on every continent on Earth. There are over 1,500 active volcanoes in the world today. The largest volcano on Earth is Mauna Loa in Hawaii, which stands over 13,000 feet tall. The deadliest volcanic eruption in recorded history occurred in 1815, when the Tambora volcano in Indonesia erupted, killing an estimated 71,000 people. The Ring of Fire is a region around the Pacific Ocean where many of the world's volcanoes are located. Volcanoes can be classified as active, dormant, or extinct. Active volcanoes are those that have erupted recently or are expected to erupt in the near future. Dormant volcanoes are those that have not erupted for a long time but may do so again in the future. Extinct volcanoes are those that are not expected to erupt again. The ash and gases released by volcanoes can cause air pollution and global climate change. Volcanic eruptions can also trigger landslides, tsunamis, and earthquakes. Some of the most famous volcanoes in the world include Mount Vesuvius in Italy, Mount Fuji in Japan, and Mount St. Helens in the United States. Volcanoes can have different types of eruptions, ranging from gentle lava flows to explosive eruptions that can cause widespread destruction. Lava is molten rock that flows out of a volcano during an eruption. It can range in temperature from 700 to 1200 degrees Celsius. Volcanic ash is made up of tiny particles of rock, minerals, and volcanic glass that are blown into the air during an eruption. It can travel long distances and cause respiratory problems for people and animals. Some volcanoes are located under the ocean and can create new land masses over time as they erupt and cool. The Yellowstone caldera in the United States is a supervolcano that has erupted 3 times in the past 2.1 million years. Volcanic lightning is a phenomenon that occurs during some volcanic eruptions, when lightning strikes are generated by the electric charges in volcanic ash clouds. Iceland is home to some of the most active volcanoes in the world, and its volcanic activity has played a significant role in shaping the country's landscape and geology. The word volcano comes from the name of the Roman god of fire, Vulcan. Some volcanoes are considered sacred by local cultures and are associated with religious beliefs and practices. Volcanoes are studied by volcanologists, who use a variety of techniques to monitor their activity and predict eruptions. Volcanic rocks and minerals are used in many industrial applications, such as construction materials, ceramics, and fertilizers. Volcanoes can have positive effects on the environment, such as creating new land and enriching soil with minerals. The Hawaiian Islands were formed by a series of volcanic eruptions over millions of years. Some volcanoes are located on other planets and moons in our solar system, such as Mars and Io, a moon of Jupiter. The deadliest volcanic eruption in U.S. history was the eruption of Mount St. Helens in 1980, which killed 57 people and caused extensive damage to the surrounding area. A volcanic eruption can produce a variety of hazards, including lava flows, pyroclastic flows, fast-moving clouds of hot ash and gas, lahars, mud flows, and volcanic gases. Some volcanoes are monitored using satellite imagery, which can detect changes in their shape and temperature. Scientists are still learning about volcanoes and their behavior, and new research is continually improving our understanding of these fascinating natural phenomena.